Hello, everybody. Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick command tip on how you can set up your agent website. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to get started. All right, so first things first, go to agent.kw.com, which is command. Once you're in here, you're going to go up to the top right, which is your name or your picture. And you're going to click on settings. So once you're here, you're going to go to the left side menu over here where you see connect settings. And then you're going to click marketing profile. So this marketing profile, make sure that at the top here, you see the little green dot. That means anything that is on this marketing profile is going to auto-populate onto your website and also your app, okay? So as long as that's on, any information you put in here will auto-populate. Also, something to keep in mind, anything that you have in this section, your marketing profile is going to auto-populate into your marketing materials, in designs, and your email campaigns, all of that. So once you're in here, when you scroll down, you'll see where you can put your picture in here. The size requirement is for it to be a 360 by 360 pixels. If you are, if your headshot is not that size and you need to edit it, I will have a link in the description of this video to a website you can go to resize your picture, okay? So you can upload your picture here. You can upload your team logo here. If you don't have a team logo and you still want a logo in there, you can add the KW logo here as well. Basic information here. You can enter any designations or credentials here and your bio. So this bio will be used on your website and your all your marketing materials anytime that it has anything about your about me section. So this is all editable. You can double click in here and delete. So all this is editable. If you need tips on how to create a bio, I'll also link that below in the description. So that way you can easily find ways to create a bio, okay? Once you've created your bio, you can put all the rest of your information here. You add your Market Center DBA logo here, which would be whichever office you're with, Johnson County, Fort Worth, or West Fort Worth. You put your logo here. Same thing, it has to be 360 by 360 pixels. Putting all this information here. Now, the legal footer text would be each office independently owned and operated. And then for your IABS and consumer, if you email Scott Leroy Marketing, he will add these links in here for you, okay? If I have personally helped you, basically this link that you paste here where it says URL would just be the same link that we put into your email signature. But like I said, if you do not know how to find it, just let me know or feel free to email Scott Leroy Marketing, which is scott@scottleroymarketing.com, and email him your IABS and consumer and just give him your login for command. And he'll go in here and add it to your website, which is this section right here, your legal footer links, okay? And then down here, feel free to add your Facebook information here, your YouTube channel, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. And then you can put your Facebook pixel and ads and also Google Analytics ID. Don't forget, once you have made any changes to this page, click save. Even if all you did was upload a picture, click save, because if you don't, when you click off this screen, it's going to erase any changes that you made, okay? So that is how you get your basics of your website set up, or more personalized. As a new agent with KW, your website automatically gets set up. Now, how you find your website when you are on this screen, if you go to consumer, which is on the left side at the bottom here, this takes you to the back end of editing your website. Okay, so marketing profile that we are just in, that is the data that goes into like your app, your website, your marketing materials. But then your actual website where you can edit the pages and the looks of your website is all editable through this screen. Okay, and once again, that's consumer down here at the bottom left. Once you get here, you should see your website address right here. Okay, so that is my website. And then when I click on it, you'll see it takes me to my website page. It automatically shows my logo because I have it in that marketing profile already. And when I scroll down here, it has my headshot because I had that in my marketing profile. And all this data came from my marketing profile and all this data down here as well. Then when you're on your website, you'll see the About Me section. That is the bio that I added in that marketing profile, okay? The parts that you can edit on your actual website, you can add pages. Like I did create this page recently to my website where you can add a leave a review page. So people can go in here and add a review for me as their realtor, okay? So all of that is done, like I said, through this consumer section on command. The way that you can edit the look of your website is to go up to site and app settings, okay? You'll see this green button. It should be turned on because the information that we have in here, all the settings, we want that information to brand to your website, okay? So you just go through these prompts and you'll see the different tabs right here. You have general, URLs, featured listings, theme, and agent site pages. So once again, you just read through here. It tells you what file types are supported, what recommended size, and how many images that you can upload here. Now, your agent site hero images, let me show you what those are. So the hero images are the ones that pop up right here. You'll see different pictures pop up in the background behind this search bar, okay? So those are your hero images. So you can change what images you have pop up there. And so you'll see these are the 4 different options that I have. And so it just rotates like a carousel while they're on there. Obviously, I could upload one more because you can upload up to 5. So you can upload just like this and then find your images to add in there. Okay. Then you scroll down and you'll see the app hero text. Now, same thing for here, agent site hero text. This is the words that you wish to have over your agent site. So like in that search bar, you'll see find your dream home here. That is what I have wrote right here. Okay. And then when you scroll down here, when you create a landing page, then this is the hero text that will be on there as well. So you can type whatever you'd like there. So then you'll save any changes as you go along. If you've made any changes, make sure you click Save Changes. Then go to URLs. This is where you type what you want your website to be. So for example, mine's christinakingery.kw.com. Scott Leroy Marketing already sets us up for you when you are joining KW. However, if you ever decide to change it, you can just go into this section and change your subdomain, okay? Then this shows you the app URL. So this is your code, okay, for your app. And once again, save changes. Then featured listings. This is a great option if you'd like to feature listings on your website. So you can set all that up right here through select listings, and you can select up to 12 listings to appear there. And they're going to show up as a listings carousel. All right, and then we will go to theme. This is the color theme that you can choose from. Like it says here, it could take up to 15 minutes for your new theme to be reflected on your website once you choose it. So just keep that in mind. But there's a dark theme and a red theme. I'm using the dark theme, so you'll see like the dark down here with the white words, and then the white up here at the top. So this is the dark theme. And then lastly, this shows you your agent site pages right here as well. Okay, so you are able to add a page here. This would be if you had a landing page that you had already built, or you can click here to create a new page for your website. This is very simple. When you're in here, let me move this to the middle here. You would just name your page up here. And then over here, everything under the widgets section is click and drag and drop, okay? You just click it and drag it over and it auto populates. That's what's so awesome about the widgets, okay? So you could put that. Maybe you want to put download my app at the bottom here. You just click it and drag it. And now that's at the bottom, okay? So once you're done with that, there is another option here for content blocks. You can drag an image box over to upload an image, or you can click the text box to drag it over to type text, okay? Once you're done with that, you just click configure widgets. Both of mine are already check marked in green because as you see, all the information auto-populated already. Now I would obviously change this because I'm not with Royals Realtors. So I would just edit that. And so I would click on agent profile to there and just type realtor, save and apply. So now you'll see it changes it to realtor. Okay. Once you're done with that, you would just click save and then yes to publish it. And once you've done that, that's going to add that page to your website. Okay. And when you add a page to your website, it adds it to this drop down menu. So you'll see the different categories that I have on mine currently. All of us have about me, contact us, and your social media links if you have them in here. I did add this one, leave us a review. So this is something that I did separately, just as I showed you where you click and drag it over. And so this way people can go in here and leave me a review. So there's lots of great ways that you can edit your website, but the great thing is it's already set up for you, and to maintain it's very simple. To make changes to it's very simple. If you ever need any help, just let me know, okay? Have a great day.